Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how can you check your Experian credit report for free on the app. To check your Experian credit report for free on the app, you need to first install the Experian app available on your app store and register to access your free credit report. After which, you just want to make sure to log in using your password and a PIN or biometric, and there you can go ahead and view your report, which provides insight into your credit history and scores as well. Likewise, the app also allows you to view your Experian report, monitor for potential identity theft, and use features like Experian Boost and positive payment history as well. Similarly, the free report by the app is updated every 30 days. And annualcreditreport.com, you could also provide free weekly access to report from all three bureaus. And this way, you're supposed to check your Experian credit report. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.